What is going on, guys? So today we have a video, and I've already pretty much started this project. I should have started this video earlier, but we have the Bullitt up on the lift, and this has a lot of exhaust leaks, and it's had a lot of exhaust leaks for a while. Let's take a look. So I've actually pretty much got all the V-bands off that we need to address. This one, unfortunately, wait, does that one have, no, it doesn't have a gasket, but I can put some orange RTV on this.
It's all exhaust burnt.
Yeah. So I can put some, this one is leaking. Is that, this one's 3-inch though, isn't it? It kind of looks 3-inch. Looks like it got bigger.
Yes.
Yeah, so this goes to 3-inch, but I have 2.5-inch gaskets for here and here. Previously we used a lot of orange RTV to attempt to seal it up, but I did go ahead and get these on recommendation from a Mustang lifestyle subscriber from Tennessee. I already started cutting this, but these are OBX universal gaskets. They're 3 bolts. I obviously don't need the 3 bolts, but we're basically going to put this in between the V-band, put some orange RTV on it, and attempt to seal up this exhaust, because right now it leaks. That turbo shot too. The turbo shot too. Garrett Precision, anyone out there?
Infamous Gen 1 on 3 kit.
If anyone wants to send me a turbo
and a forward-facing kit,
or on 3 wants to see this car go 9s in stock motor, just send me a whole kit. That'd be nice. Look at this. I'm rocking the OG on 3 kit, which uses stock 2-valve manifolds. Stock 2-valve manifolds. It's got a 180-degree setup. This kit is crazy that it's gone as fast as it did. I want to go to Mod Nationals too and try to run like 11.0 True Street.
You can do it with a budget car, basically. It's a budget car.
This is a budget car. It's got a stock motor, stock transmission, and stock rear end. Yep. And it's still live after...
And a Gen 1 on 3 kit.
And a Gen 1 on 3 kit. And a turbo that...
has more shaft play than freaking moon, you know?
Yeah. But, and then I also have the front bumper off of it because it melted the front bumper, so this was the easiest way to bring it down to the shop. But I'm gonna get this banged out. Hopefully it'll get quieter. Alright, so I got the 2 gaskets, I got the 3-bolt flanges cut off, and now we just have 2 gaskets. I'm gonna load these up again with orange RTV. Some people might not like that idea, but I just don't want leaks. It's going to end up leaking again in the future, but, you know, it is what it is. Alright guys, so we got all 3 V-bands. This one does not have a gasket. If this one still leaks, I'm going to get a 3-inch gasket, well, implying that this other fix on that one and that one works. A lot of this RTV is left over, so I put the gaskets in between these, put some orange RTV on it just to kind of seal any gaps, and then we put some orange RTV on that one. So I'm gonna put the car down, start it up. Hopefully it is significantly quieter, you know, getting rid of all those leaks. All these leaks were actually causing issues with even the O2 sensor and wideband, kind of throwing it off too. So hopefully we got it going. All right. Let's go see. Still leaks. I hate this kit. Let's see how bad it is. Alright, so I just did some tightening up while the car is running. I mean, it's better. I think you can still hear it, but I don't know. The biggest thing was this thing was taking forever to spool, so in theory, this should be a little bit better than what it was. Still runs pretty good. I think it's better. Definitely better. Yeah, I think it's better. I don't know if it'll last, but we'll try it. Turn her on. Guess we'll see. It sounds good. I mean, we're right against the wall and we don't hear the tick, tick, tick. So hopefully we're good. All right, guys. The car is actually way better. I haven't heard turbo noise like that in this car in a long time. It's actually spooling below 4,800 RPM. Oh man, this thing's about to get a lot more fun. Yeah, we've had exhaust leaks in it for a long time, so I had no idea what I was missing out on. We got to get gas. This car has a leaning out issue when it's anywhere near a quarter of a tank, but I'll do a few ripskis. We might make some new holes in the exhaust, but dude, it's spooling. I'm excited. It's crazy how much more responsive it is. Oh, I haven't had that much fun in this car in a long time, so because it's pretty much only been like wide open throttle where it spools the turbo. So all right, we got a nice full tank of gas. Wow, it sounds so good. She is way faster. I don't know if it's faster quarter mile, but it's building boost below 4,500. The exhaust sounds so much better, man. Forgot how fun this car was. Sorry, I'm one hand filming and driving, but you guys get the point. All right, we'll get a little brake boost in here. I can't imagine how responsive this kit would be if it was a forward-facing kit. Oh man, this is night and day difference from the issues I was having with it. I didn't drive the car for a while because I kind of got bored of it because I forgot that this is what it's supposed to be like. It just spawned these big ass N205Rs. This car is a blast. It's making the boost. So far, so good. We haven't broken the exhaust yet. The thing spools so freaking nice now. I don't even think this turbo's that bad. I thought the turbo was blown, but I guess it was just major exhaust leaks. Listen to his spool, guys. This car is fast. Wow. This car is fast. I forgot how fast this thing is. There's a little stock 2 valve, guys. Oh man, we need to take this out to the track. Maybe Sunday we'll take it out to the track and try to run a 10 again. Maybe with the exhaust leak fixed, it'll be better. So at the track I was having issues getting the turbo spool, but let's see. Oh yeah, that thing spools. Wow. So at the track, I was sitting on the 2-step for a long period of time, and I couldn't get it to build any boost. But now, that was like, what, 5, 6, 7 pounds? So that's pretty sick. I'm pretty happy with that. We'll do one more little spool. Not going too crazy, but man, the way the power comes on with these turbo cars is insane. Brake boosting. Oh my god. This thing's wild. What did you see for boost? It felt insane. Alright, so Mr. Matt just got here. I got a call from Steve over at VMP. He needs some help with the transmission. We're gonna take the old Bullitt down there. But I'm gonna try to convince Mr. Matt to get an 18 manifold while we're there, so he can be as fast as this. Because we have a 350 manifold on this, he needs an 18 manifold on that. Matt, you got your wallet? Yep. Sweet. We're gonna take the Bullitt. No front bumper, but it's okay, because still looks pretty cool. You ready? Yep. You haven't been in this car. This car's pretty fun. Oh, it's getting foggy. Not bad, right? No. Yeah, let's take the Mustang. Great idea. Really, it's not that bad though right now. It starts pouring though, we gotta slow down a little. Alright, so made it to our destination. What you think of the Bullitt?
Straight gunshots, bro.
We gotta go this way. Transmission going in. Then intake manifold. Yeah. Uh-oh. Someone requesting the keys. You gonna stall it?
Yeah, probably.
You better not stall it.
Why?
Cause.
Where's your neutral?
You gotta put the clutch all the way down to the floor.
It is.
No, all the way down.
Where's your thing to move the seat up?
It's in between your legs.
Get that camera out of my face.
No, you're gonna stall it.
You think so?
It's actually really easy to drive.
You're scaring me with that camera.
You gotta put the parking brake down. You know where first gear is?
No. Hopping over it.
You gonna stall it?
Is that first?
I think so.
Andrew, put the camera away, bro.
Go ahead. There you go. could install it. Impressive. So how was it? Fun?
Yeah.
There's a little security thing above the key. You out ripping it, hitting boost and shit?
You heard it?
Nah. It's pretty quiet actually.
Alright, put the camera away, I'll give you an honest opinion. Couldn't grab third, but like I tried so many times. You're only gonna let me daily this thing. I'll rent it.
Rent it?
Let me Turo this thing.
Turo?
It really doesn't start coming alive until like 4 or 5.
Yeah, about 4. Couldn't convince him to do the 18 manifold.
Not yet.
Very disappointed.
Not yet.
Very, very disappointed. We can do one more time. Not bad. Alright guys, so I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update. So we actually fixed the, well, bumper kind of. So I just kind of cut it out right here and put the guard back in place, and then I also zip tied the bumper to where it's not going to be pulled and the exhaust is not going to go behind it, because essentially the problem was the exhaust was getting stuck behind here. When the motor torques, the exhaust was getting moved out of the way. So we went ahead and put the bumper back on. Everything looks and seems to kind of fit, you know, really kind of nice. So it should be good for a while. Eventually the bumper will need to be rewrapped because we did have some issues with the front kind of moving around and hitting the hood, which can happen because we don't have an 0304 Cobra hood. That's a GT hood, obviously. So I wanted to give you guys that update. Make sure you slap that like button. Just go ahead and do it right now. It helps get this video out to more people. Drop a comment down below what you want to see with the Bullitt in the future, and we'll see you guys in the next one. And don't forget to pick up a Mustang Lifestyle t-shirt. Here's just one more look at the bumper being back on the car, because I know you guys would scream at me for that. Cobra update, we're gonna put the trans, or swap a trans into this because it has a bad 3rd and 4th gear this weekend. So I'll let you guys know.